Are you new to Excel Church? Well, we've got a new People's Lunch happening on the 22nd of May and you are invited to it. So if you've recently joined, we'd love to see you there, where you'll have an opportunity to meet the leaders, the team here at Excel Church, and you'll get to hear more about what we do, our vision, and what opportunities there are for you to get involved in. So why not book in, sign up online to come along, and you'll get a free meal as well, of course. So do let us know if you're coming so that we can sort catering things for you. So we'll see you at that new People's Lunch on the 22nd of May.
There's just a few weeks left until our Strength Will Rise weekend away, and we're so excited for it. It's going to be amazing and it's fully booked. So if you want to be looking good at the weekend, you need to get yourself here after the service, because today is the last chance for you to order one of these wonderful t-shirts. So you need to grab one of these forms. The t-shirts are also available in children's sizes now, so get your t-shirt ordered today.
Amigos, nos vamos a España a hacer misiones. Yes, friends, you heard right. We are planning a mission trip to the north of Spain in September. So if you'd like to apply to come along on this mission trip, then why not speak to Dan to get an application pack, or head to Church Suite online to find out some more information how you can sign up to receive your application pack as well. Adios, amigos.
We're going to be running an Alpha course here starting on Thursday the 9th of June. So if you want to find out more, you can sign up on our website and check out this promo.
Alpha Online is a free course designed to give you the space and time to ask the big and often challenging questions about life, faith and meaning. No filters, just honest discussion. To attend an Alpha Online, all you have to do is sign up and then join a weekly online call, all from the comfort of your home. Everything else is taken care of by your host. So feel free to pour yourself a drink, get comfy, get your laptop ready, and you are good to go. What have you got to lose? Try Alpha Online.
What a lovely fence. Now, this Wednesday there is no prayer and Bible study because we're going to be completing our leaflet drop in the local estate. So come along, meet at church at 7:30, and we're going to be taking some of these out to houses locally and telling them all about the good stuff that's going on at Excel Church. So meet here 7:30 for our leaflet drop.
Raise me up, by grace I'm found alive in your love.
Guys, guess what's happening? A huge Black Country wide event is happening at Himley Park, and we at Excel Church are supporting this event. We're partnering with Love Black Country, where they're going to be putting on loads of fun stuff on Saturday the 9th of July. You need to be there, so get that date in your diary. There's going to be a music zone, there's going to be a youth zone, a kids zone. It's an amazing day for families to come together and have some fun there. I'm actually going to be hosting it, so I would love to see a lot of you there as well. And also Governor B is going to be there. Listen, get the date in your diary, Saturday the 9th of July, and let's go to the Together Festival together.
Remember, this Saturday is the God Loves You tour up in Liverpool, so you can sign up on the website to book your space on the coach and invite a friend along too. And that is everything for Excel News this week. Have a great one.